In this video, we will learn how to send emails in a Tricentis Tosca test case using the Send Mail standard module. This module allows you to send email messages and reply to email messages via a simple mail transfer protocol, or SMTP. To send mails using this module, your test case will need to have connected to the mail server with the Connect to Mail Server module. So let's take a look at the Send Mail module. You can find it located in Standard Modules, tbox Engines, Mail. It includes module attributes like connection name. Here, you enter the name of the connection that you defined in the previous test step while connecting to the server. To send an email, this option is crucial to have and can only be called if the connection has already been established. From address. Here, you will specify the email address of the sender. From name. Here, you can specify the name of the sender. This module attribute is optional. Subject. Here, you can specify the subject line. This module attribute is optional. To. Here, you will specify a recipient. You can add multiple recipients at a time. CC. Here, you can specify a copy recipient. You can add multiple recipients in separate module attributes. This module attribute is optional. BCC. It is possible to specify a blind copy recipient. You can add multiple recipients in separate module attributes. This module attribute is optional. Body. Here, you can enter the message body. The body of the email sent with this module uses HTML format. This module attribute is optional. Attachment. It's possible to add attachments to the email. Here, you would add the full file path to the attachment. You can add multiple attachments in separate module attributes. This module attribute is optional. The final two module attributes can be used if you don't just want to send an email, but send an email as a reply to an existing mail. Here we have reply to, mail to reply. This should be the name of the saved email you want to reply to. This module attribute contains the name of the existing email that you want to send a reply email to. This module attribute is optional. Reply to, reply options. This module attribute allows you to decide whether to reply or reply all. This can be selected by a drop-down. Alright, now we will demonstrate how to use the standard module Send Mail. For our example, we will use the same sample connection. Here, the mail sender is Tricentis dummy account 1. The subject line and body will be "This is a test email." The recipient is dummy account 2, and the third Tricentis dummy account will be in CC. In the body message, I will add the text "This is a test for a Send Mail module." We will also attach two files named test1.txt and test2.docx, located in the temp folder on our C drive. So let's run this test case in the Scratchbook. As mentioned before, you can also reply to an email using the Send Mail module. So let's see how this can be done. Here's another scenario where you already have an email saved from dummy account 2 with the name saved mail. This email has previously been saved using the Receive Mail simple module, which is covered in a different video. Now, dummy account 1 will reply with a thank you email along with a required document that has been requested using the name which we saved before. Be aware that the port and protocol used here must be different than the one used in the Send Mail test step. The test case will look like this. So let's run this test case in the Scratchbook. Thank you for watching.